I'm going to a casual evening and this is what I would wear.
A casual evening, like a birthday party at home or a hangout with friends, is perfect for a chunky cozy knit like I have in here and a nice pencil skirt. I would also add some black tights and some black ankle boots. Combined with a jacket, it is a very classic and elegant outfit, and I'm very sure you have something similar in your closet. You can pull everything together wearing a black clutch, or if you have something colorful, then I would add something colorful. But black is also a nice option. If you want to dress a bit more lighter, then I have this white tweed skirt from Shein combined with a long-sleeved top and some ankle boots. The ankle boots are super comfortable, and anyway, if you're at home for a casual evening, for sure you will take off your shoes. At least in Europe we take off the shoes. And to go to the occasion, I would take also a trench coat, if it's not too cold. Also, very comfortable options are those dresses. They are super nice and cozy, and they are very flowy and chic. I would combine them with riding boots. And like you can see, they are very flowy and soft. So this kind of dresses are perfectly if you just eat a lot during the evening. So the perfect thing for my friends, which always happens if I visit friends. Also, if you have a sweater dress like that, it is really perfect for a very casual and relaxed evening. To give it more shape, I would add a belt, so you have a bit more of a curve. And if you're freezing too much, add some tights. For a very relaxed evening in winter or autumn, I would get a very chunky knit, like I have in here, a very nice and pink one. I would combine it with cargo trousers, which look relaxed but still very elegant. But what if it's a night where you're just not sure? It starts with some food and drinks, and then suddenly you want to go out. In this case, I would just add a body underneath. Here actually I have a swimsuit. I love to wear it as a body because it has a really nice, amazing back. It's backless, but in the front it's padded, so you don't need to worry about a bra, it's just built in. I included some outtakes, so enjoy. I also forgot to take out my roller. It happens quite a lot of time.
Oops.
If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any styling videos. And I also have a whole playlist with style analysis if you enjoy to have some more inspiration. Or maybe you enjoy the playlist on how to look elegant and chic in winter. Stay chic and I will see you in the next video. Bye!